Achieving ISO 14001 certification is vital for organizations that are committed to environmental sustainability and responsible business practices. This globally recognized standard demonstrates your dedication to managing environmental impacts, reducing waste, and fostering continuous improvement in environmental performance. Achieving certification not only builds credibility, but also enhances operational efficiency and strengthens your organization's resilience against environmental risks. However, the certification process can be complex, requiring in-depth knowledge of ISO 14001 requirements, thorough documentation, and well-defined procedures. To simplify your journey, we developed the ISO 14001 Complete Package. This all-inclusive toolkit provides everything your organization needs to align with ISO 14001 standards, saving time and minimizing the risk of costly errors. Our package includes a fully compliant environmental management manual and essential procedures aligned with ISO 14001 standards, templates for environmental impact assessments, monitoring and measurement, and management review reports, robust tools for risk assessment, corrective actions, and continuous improvement tracking. Whether you're beginning the ISO 14001 certification process or looking to enhance your environmental management practices, this package is designed to support you at every step. With all resources in one place, you'll have everything you need to build an efficient, compliant, and sustainable environmental management system. Your purchase grants immediate access to all documents, so you can get started right away. Plus, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to ensure your satisfaction throughout the process. Don't let complexity hold you back. Equip your organization with the right tools today and fast-track your path to ISO 14001 certification. Click the button now to gain instant access and take a major step toward environmental sustainability and certification success.